In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cherrycello.
In this bowl here we have 4 handfuls of cherries, and here we've got 200 ml of vodka, and we're just going to pour that straight into the cherries, then put a lid on top. So it's been about a week and this is our cherry infused vodka. What we're going to do now is strain our cherries and separate the cherry vodka. Now we are going to make our simple syrup. We're going to start by bringing 200 ml of water to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add in 60 grams of sugar. Use a whisk to combine. You must make sure that the sugar properly dissolves, otherwise it may crystallize in your cherrycello. Now that it's cooled, we're going to add in our cherry infused vodka. Now we're going to transfer our cherrycello into our little bottles. These would make a really good gift at Christmas time. They are ready to drink, but I'd highly recommend leaving them for 1 week in the fridge. This will help to make it taste even better.